Okay, Hefty here, 493W, looking at our final coaching portfolio, rubric review and pointers, the last one here. Again, it's worth 120 points now. It's 24% of your overall grade, but you're going to see you've done half of this already with the previous assignments. So the key point, make sure you go back, look at the feedback from those and the improvements that's needed. And then number two, make sure what you're doing, if you're copy and pasting, it actually fits exactly what's being asked in this portfolio. It might be slightly different, so make those adjustments. Must have TRI for each point of each section with the headers and the subheadings. So let's go through it. First off, you need to add have a cover page right at the beginning with a table of contents with the page numbers. So no TRI here, obviously, but get a cover page. And then the table of contents and page numbers. Number two, then, just as we've done from the very beginning, your first philosophy piece, get into tell me what your sport is, group, type, org, description, and your bio, put that all together there. And then that one-page resume should be next. The key point in there is to have your 4 certifications to get the points there. All right, this is again from the personal coaching philosophy. One more time to go ahead and make improvements there if it's needed. But again, it's okay to copy and paste if the quality's been good. So you've got 5 subheadings there. Next then is the ethics case study report. I don't want your whole report. I want you to go ahead and just give me the overview that you did, talk about your learning activity, and then the specific subheading of where you talked about your portfolio application of that information in that report. Easy 9 points there. Then again, we've got your coaching style. This is where, again, you're doing your description of yours along with then talking about the 2 opposing styles. Team management, again, you've done this in your team management assignment. Make sure you go back and get the feedback so it's correct. Key point here is you need TRI for each of the 4 meetings, and the I is an actual agenda or outline or checklist that you would do for the meetings. Reward and discipline system. This was again from that team management assignment. It was the first template. So I need you to have TRI for your reward style and TRI for your discipline style, and then you can have the templates combined or separate under each of those. Next is teaching plans. This is new now. Again, you need to do TRI for each of these. I need you to talk about your seasonal plan and have a calendar schedule as your illustration. There's a template set there. You can do a weekly snapshot, or you can go ahead and do it in monthlies, however you want. But then I also need your daily practice plan. And again, the template there is an actual practice plan. So you can see you're going to need a template for point 1 season and point 2 for daily. Next is evaluation methodologies. Again, here you need to address your different methods that you're going to use in evaluation for preseason, in-season, and postseason, TRI for each. And again, templates there for that. Next is fitness or physical training. We want to, again, do preseason, in-season, and off-season. There were different templates where we did an assessment, and then we also looked at the different techniques that we'd use specific to your sport. Again, use the templates that are there available to you on Canvas. Next is risk management plans. Again, you're going to need 2 templates here because the first part, 1, 2, and 3 goes over risk management, and there's a template for that. But then 4 and 5 is specific to crisis management, where you'll talk about for your staff and then your players. Again, you should be combining that legal duties and responsibilities workshops that we did into that information there. Last then is a self-management plan. Again, preseason, in-season, off-season. There's a template of how you're going to manage yourself in this high-stress leadership role. Last is list of references. You need a minimum of 8 here, proper mechanics, and then 120 total points. Thanks.